Look at that. Just look at it. That is not CGI. That is not a concept render. That is not something from a science fiction film. That is a real bridge. In the real Himalayan mountains, in the real country of India. And the deck of that bridge, the part where the trains run, sits 359 meters above the river below. That is 35 meters taller than the Eiffel Tower. It is the highest railway bridge ever built in the history of human civilization. And it almost never existed, because building it required 20 years, 4 different engineering teams, one of the most geologically violent places on Earth, winds that can flip a loaded truck, temperatures that crack steel, and a level of national determination that most countries simply do not possess. This is how India did what the entire world said was impossible. To understand why India spent 20 years and billions of rupees building a single bridge, you need to understand Kashmir. The Kashmir Valley sits in the northernmost tip of India, cradled between the Himalayas and the Pir Panjal mountain range. It is one of the most breathtakingly beautiful places on the planet. It is also one of the most isolated. For most of the year, the only road connecting Kashmir to the rest of India is the Jammu-Srinagar National Highway, a narrow, treacherous mountain road that winds through some of the most unstable terrain on Earth. Every winter, that road closes. Landslides, avalanches, blizzards so severe that entire convoys of trucks simply disappear into the snow. For weeks, sometimes months, at a time, entire communities in Kashmir are completely cut off from the rest of the country. No food supplies coming in, no medical equipment, no fuel, no way out. People have died waiting for roads to reopen. Patients who needed surgery in Jammu couldn't get there in time. Farmers watched harvests rot because they couldn't transport goods to market. And strategically, for a region that shares borders with both Pakistan and China, having a military supply line that closes every winter was not just an inconvenience. It was a national security crisis. India's solution was the Udhampur-Srinagar-Baramulla rail link, the USBRL project, a railway line that would cut through the Himalayas, over gorges, through mountains, across rivers, connecting Kashmir to India's national rail network permanently. All weather, all year, unstoppable. The centerpiece, the single most critical and most difficult section, was a bridge over the Chenab River Gorge. The Chenab Bridge. The project was sanctioned in 1997. Construction officially began in 2002. The original plan was straightforward, by the standards of Himalayan engineering anyway. Build a steel arch bridge across the Chenab Gorge. Connect 2 cliff faces 1,315 meters apart. Complete in 5 years. By 2008, nothing had been built. The first engineering consortium had discovered something that changed everything. The gorge wasn't just deep. It wasn't just windy. The geological survey data that had